morning, guys. Welcome back to the channel. Got a surprise video I didn't know was going to happen this morning. I just walked in on a Wednesday morning and there's a 2024 GMC Sierra 2500 Denali Ultimate. It is immaculate clean. Like, sometimes you guys bring me trucks that are dirty, sometimes you bring me trucks that are clean. This one has been, looks like hand polished through the night. So this customer is from Chicago. Did you really drive here from Chicago? That's wild. He's in the office right now. I haven't had a chance to have a conversation with him yet. He checked in with Leo. Leo's another salesman up here that does a lot of he does half the work with me up here, and I wouldn't be able to do it without him, but he did this sale. It's I got a build sheet right here. This one's getting it's getting the airbags from Logic, which is Ready Lift. It's a really good airbag kit. It has a really good air compressor. It has a tank option. It has a remote control where you can wirelessly operate it from inside the truck or outside the truck. It doesn't matter where. And you can do an app on your phone too. Really good system. We're doing a SuspensionMAXX leveling kit. You guys have seen those before, the little red keys. They're amazing. They ride good in every situation that we use them in. Fox 2.0 shocks, front and rear. That's great. Looks like we're doing some Cognito parts too, some torsion bars, and some idler arm, pitman arm supports. He got kind of the best of every little thing, so you can't go wrong with it. And we're doing the Toyos AT3s, which is a very mild, super smooth, quiet riding tire. We're going to be using the stock wheels on this truck. It has the 22s on it. It's not the 22s that you think. It's the Black & Machine ones. I've only seen these like once or twice ever, so I'm about to get out of the truck and show you what it looks like, and thanks for watching. A truck so clean you could eat off of it. And I'm pretty sure that he just drove it from Florida too. He said he's on the way from Florida to Chicago right now on the way home. He scheduled it perfect timing so we could get it done in one day. And literally, you could eat off this truck. He does have the color match fender flares already. He does have the tinted amber recon lights already. It is a 24 Denali Ultimate. You can tell by the grill, it's a little bit different. The 25s have this part is black and then that top part is black. But the truck looks cleaner than half the 25s that I've seen, I'll be honest with you. This is the factory 22-inch option wheel that you can get with this truck, Denali Ultimate. I do sell this wheel in a replica as well, I believe. That is a really nice looking wheel. We're going to be putting some 35-inch Toyos AT3s on this. He needs tires too. They're getting kind of low. These Goodyears never really do last a long time. They're decent tires, but they don't get a lot of miles for some reason. Looks like he's already upgraded, put a bed cover on it. That's nice. The truck's super clean. I don't know if I've said that in this clip or not. Maybe like 5 times. Can't wait to get started on it. We're about to pull it around right now. They're actually waiting on me, so stay tuned.
get where you are.
All right, so we got our 2024 GMC Sierra 2500 Denali Ultimate ready to go. We have our Toyo 35-inch AT3s on there. It's actually the metric 295 55 22, but this is a 35-inch tire. It does clear really good on this control arm right here, so that's one reason why we use the metric version. SuspensionMAXX keys are what allow us to put that size on there. These look really, really good on the truck. They ride amazing. That's the way to go. We also upgraded this truck with that Cognito Comfort Ride torsion bar right there. Softens up the ride even more than just the SuspensionMAXX keys. In the back here, we did the Logic Air air spring bags and the compressor and the controller. We added Fox 2.0 shocks to the front and the rear of this truck. I also wanted to say I appreciate the customer from driving so far away. His name is Greg. Very, very nice guy. I had a conversation with him for a while in the office in there, and I appreciate everybody coming from as far as they do to get all this work done. I'm gonna put a clip or a quote in the clip following this clip for you guys if you have any questions about the prices. And if you want to reach out, the number here is 678-994-9180, and my name is Jake. Thanks, everybody.